is a little bit of action this morning at Southland RV, to say the least. We are just Christmas shopping, dream building, debating. Looking at campers, we just seen a lot of trade-ins and wanted to see what's out there today. So we're at Southland, local Georgia RV dealer, Airstream dealer, where we bought our little guy Max. We're just taking a look, seeing what's out there. Should we change RVs or not? That is the question. They have a lot of used campers here now, but then a lot of new names that they usually didn't carry before. All these crickets. Bigfoot, double axle. See, I like the Bigfoots. Fiberglass, 4-season, good amount of space. Big old bedroom, storage everywhere. Hardcore hardware. Right. It's like smacks back at you. Look at that closet. Jeez Louise. You got a TV mount here, some outlets right here. There's even storage underneath the bed. There's so much storage back here.
Yeah.
Bathroom. Let's do the bathroom test. Shower test. Way more comfortable. Way more comfortable than. Kitchen's nice. Oh, that's nice. Look at all that storage. This has all kinds of space to put stuff.
Yeah.
The thing I like about this is like you get a really good dining room space, and even that sitting space right there is like a really good. This would be like your play area with a kid.
Right.
But then you get the skylight.
Yeah, it's nice.
Windows. Huh. Double bed. That double bed's kind of nice. When you've slept on an east and west bed like we have forever, it's kind of nice. Screen door. 3-burner cooktop. Actually, it is. It's a 2022.
These balances are really hard to move up once
Space. It's actually a 2022.
Yeah,
It's interesting. Propane hookup. Probably propane here. Look at this. Holy moly.
oh wow.
Wow. And they have lockdowns for this to protect that window.
There's
Look at that. And propane's here.
yeah.
40 pounders, 20 pounders. That's a good contender. That'd be a pretty cool camper. We've looked at these a lot. Hey babe, they have the Intech Terra. This is the one we want to look at. So we had our eyes on this one forever. The Intech Terra. So this one we had our eye on for quite a while. And we've wanted to look at it. We've called them. They were supposed to call us, let us know it's here. But like, look at this. Look at the windows.
Huge table.
Yeah. A big old sink.
Big sink. got tons of, and then this is the.
This is that 120. Yeah, it's that new fridge. They got the cardboard on it, but you get two stove burner.
Look at this mirror in here. It's massive. Holy moly.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I like this.
With the skylight there in a window.
Yeah. Just, and then the storage here.
So that's a pretty deep storage. And then you have these two. This would kind of be, I think, where your kitchen stuff would go.
Got a really nice shower. And then this bedroom back here.
It has to come up or something, right?
Yeah. There we go.
At least it's secure. It's magnet lock. That's why. And see, you got storage there. Nice windows going all the way around. Just think if you're at like the Grand Canyon.
Right.
Oh, and show them the sliding door. If it slides.
It's locked over there.
Look at that.
A magnet lock here, and then it has another lock that you can secure it when you're traveling.
And then you got the vent up there. Heat. Your TV swivels out. You're laying in bed. Boom. Oh my gosh.
This is really cool.
We've had our eyes on these, like I said, for quite a while.
Like seriously, this is
And
really nice.
little drawer there. Bedroom drawer. And now I haven't seen the shower.
It's nice.
It's nice and big. Wow. It is. It is.
I mean, this just gives you so much space. And it's not that much bigger than the little guy. I mean, it's bigger.
It's bigger.
By like 4 feet.
Something like that. But it's just relax. You know, it's like a little mini.
Big, massive
I know,
window. I mean,
that
this
window.
is freaking awesome.
How many rocks and stuff hit that? Oh, look at this.
Yeah, you probably put it behind the cushions.
But that's nice. I like that it's on a roll. Big old sink.
Yeah.
So, I mean, your pantry would be where? I guess up here and over there. This top storage
Sorry.
pantry.
Well.
I mean, even these, like, I don't know what you. That's like cleaning stuff, and then you have these. But that's
Yeah,
more
that
kitchen
would
pot
probably
pans,
be-
right?
I would think that would be pantry. And then this up here would be where we would
Plates?
put plates and
Okay.
that kind of thing. Yeah.
And then you also have. Okay, so this is your
Just access to
your connections and your inverter. Once again, you got your AC heat up there. And this is fiberglass inside here. Storage up top. It's just a legit sound canceling. All right, we're gonna go tell them we want it, and we're gonna look forward to pulling it out the lot today, y'all. Christmas time at the RV dealer. All right, everyone. We're now going to show you our new RV. They were giving them out for free today for Christmas. The pieces of paper. All right, so thanks for watching. This was just a little, I want to call it Christmas list dreaming special. Wish list. Yeah, we're making a list for Santa. We're getting some ideas for Santa. But We got our eye on that Terra. We've been had our eyes on that Terra
We
by
finally got a chance
Intech.
to walk through it.
Yeah.
We've been waiting for that for months.
Yeah, we've been waiting a while to walk through it, but
So
we'll see. Maybe updates coming soon. Take care. Joy on the road.